Hello, my lovely Leo. So, welcome back to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and if you are new, I hope that you like this reading. And if you do or resonate with this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, guys. This is going to be your real spiritual guidance. I am Lady of the Throne, an intuitive reader, a master teacher, a healer, and a spirit guide for all of you. Okay, so if you resonate with this, I hope to have you here again to get your messages. My readings are designed for those of you who don't have time to watch videos, or you like to receive the word but you don't like to hear unnecessary shuffling in the background like tarot readers use, or you just don't want to have all the unnecessary nonsense and you just want to get straight to the point. Then I'm your reader. Okay, so Leo, let's go ahead and jump right in. April 1st through the 15th, what will you be feeling? And we're also going to look at your person's feelings about you and each of you guys' point of view toward each other. I also have extended readings. The link for that will be down below if you want to check out the extended version of this. This is where we go deeper. The extended is where we will reveal some secrets, okay, some information that you don't know. All right, so Leo, how do you feel first 2 weeks in April? Okay, I get a sense that you guys will be lounging around your home, feeling quite lazy, not really in the mood for certain things, wanting to be at home a lot. There's a big energy surrounding home. So it can be home in different ways. It could be just chilling out at home. It could be at someone else's home. Or you could be dealing with any other situation surrounding a home thing here. And I sense that with this energy, you're staying away from nonsense. You're staying out of drama that other people have going on in their own life. You're not worried about that. All that I think you guys are worried about right now is your home for some reason, okay? Or just wanting to be home and relax. I'm also getting that Leos, you guys will be in a kind of like a see it to believe it. I've got to see it to believe it kind of energy. So if there is a love interest in your life and this person is making promises to you, or they are wanting to be with you, or they're wanting to see you, it's like you're just like, yeah, okay, I'll have to see this to believe it. I'll have to see it to believe it's true. Okay, so I think until then you guys are really chill, you're really relaxed. I sense that you have a clear mindset about everything, positive forward thinking, positive about the future. I also see a lot of you Leos leaving fake people behind, fake friends, fake family members, and sometimes fake love. You guys are leaving fake people in the dust. This is a time to glow up. I'm also getting pretty in pink, like you guys see here on the screen. This movie had came to me during your meditation, and I don't know. Okay, so Pretty in Pink, a lot of you have already seen this movie, I'm sure. But the basis of this movie is about a guy having a crush on a girl. He asks her out, and he feels like dating her or her saying yes would be too good to be true because of who she is. The girl in the movie feels that dating someone from a different social status is not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy to date her, and it's not going to be easy to date him. So I think that this movie came about because there is something significant or similar to what some of you may be experiencing with this love interest. One of you in this connection comes from a different social status or a social tax bracket, come from a different tax bracket. Someone is of a higher caliber here when it comes to money, or someone's famous, the other person's not famous, or someone's rich, the other person's not rich, or someone is more popular than the other person, or maybe someone's like a gangster with like a church girl, or it's a difference in the way you guys are. I feel like there's two different things. Who you are in society is on two different kinds of levels for some of you, and there is a feeling that the person pursuing is feeling like it's going to be too good to be true to have you, okay? Or this is you feeling like it's too good to be true to have this person. But either way, it's like a too good to be true energy that I'm getting here for some reason. I'm also getting a little bit about travel, gifts, romantic offers coming through. Some of you could be dealing with a Cancer, since Cancer had this really big energy about gifts being given, beautiful energy coming through for the Cancer energy at this time. So if you are a Leo dealing with a Cancer, I highly recommend that you watch the Cancer video, because some of this energy is very same or similar here. Now, your person of interest, how are they feeling about you or about the connection? Okay, so this is someone who I feel right now they're just living their life. They are enjoying spending time with you though, okay? They're living the good life. That's what I'm getting here. Like they're just laid back enjoying the breeze, okay? This person enjoys you. I see someone walking on a beach hand in hand. There's sand there. Okay, this person is falling in love with you, or they're focused on loving on you. It's a lot of sexual energy here, passionate energy. This person has strong sexual desires for you. They are extremely attracted to your physique, your body, your physical, your appearance. They think you're beautiful or sexy, or both. This person thinks you're so amazing. They love to listen to you. They like your mind. They find you very interesting and cool. Like you're very cool. You're chill to them. They like hanging out with you because of the way you make them feel. You have a very good vibe for this person. So really, they're just feeling you. This feels like a new connection, or even if it's not a new connection, then where your relationship is right now is in a good place. That's what it seems. Okay. All right. So Leo, how do you see this person? Your point of view. Wow. Okay. You see this person as a pure soul. Like you don't find anything wrong with this person. Once a decision has been made by this person to enter into your magical garden, you feel like they'll have reached their destination. Like you feel like the destination for this person. Destination is coming up. Trips are coming up too with this energy. So some of you are dealing with someone who's about to fly into you to meet you, or you're about to go fly to them to meet them at a particular destination. There's something about destination or destiny here. So some of you are about to connect with somebody who's a part of your destiny, or they're about to connect with you. You see this person as now entering a spiritual homecoming. Like you're their home, and so you're just like, welcome. I'm glad you made it. I'm so happy you're here. You finally come to me. This is the love of my life. This is my destiny. So it is a very beautiful energy. There's a divine aura of protection and guidance surrounding this connection here. Some of you could be dealing with a Taurus or an Aries, because I believe either the Aries or the Taurus got some of this energy too in their reading. So you got Cancer, Aries, and Taurus that a lot of you could be dealing with, because so far that's what I've been seeing. Okay, could be other signs too. They're just not posted yet. I haven't made those yet, but if later, if you see that I've made those, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and watch the opposite sign if you want to cross watch. You just see this person as someone who has ended something recently, and now they're headed toward you for a new beginning. You also see this person as someone who's interested in the intuitive arts. You know what? I think Aries or Taurus got literally the same message. Aries or Taurus got the same messages here. This is someone who is into healing, or they could be into the arts. They could be an artist. They could be into music, dance. This is someone who's into spirituality, or they're religious. But this person lives a life of service. All they want to do is do what they do and, inspire the world with their work, okay? They could be into magic, okay? This person they could be doing magic on you, or maybe they're just a magician. Maybe they are into magic and things like that. But this is someone who I think you don't see this as a bad thing, or maybe you don't know this about this person. Okay. Wow. This is interesting, Leo. Okay, so your person of interest, how are they seeing you? Ah, Wow. They see you as a hard worker, Leo. Like, they feel like you've been on this long journey, and it's been hard. It's been really, really hard, the journey that you've been on in your life. But they know that you're at the end of that journey, of all the heartache and the hardness of the journey. You're getting over that. Like, this is the end of that rough cycle that you've been on. And even if it's been like 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, this person's just like, now the Leo is finally done with an old cycle, all the darkness, and is completely a different person now. Wow, Leo, they see you as someone who has a new mind now. Like, you're in a new mind. You have a new level of consciousness. You're woke. You're woke. Like, you're more into spiritual things. Your conversations hold up pretty well now. This could be someone who's known you in the past and or watched you in the past, but now they're just like, wow, like, yeah, you're really wise, or you've really grown from whatever it is that you went through. Strong Cancer energy here, you guys. Strong Cancer, because Cancer's reading sounded like this too. So it's something going on with you, Cancer, Aries, and Taurus here, for sure. Okay, or someone who has rising moon, Venus in one of these signs. But this person sees you as being able to now speak your truth. And not only do you speak your truth now, but you think differently, and the thoughts you have toward everything that you've been through on your journey are reflecting outwardly in the way you speak with others. They're noticing the way you communicate, and how you speak is just different. You come across as more mature. You know that you have a sense of direction now, and this person can see that. Okay, and I think that they're also starting to understand something about you, Leo. Maybe in the past, this person thought that you wanted your freedom, or you didn't want to be tied down. They looked at you like you weren't the kind of person that wanted to be tied down or wanted a relationship. But now this person is starting to realize that your need for freedom was only due to what you were going through in your past. Because maybe in the past you weren't dealing with the right kind of people. You hadn't met them yet. You hadn't met someone that's on your level and can match up to you. You hadn't met your Prince Charming yet, or your Princess Charming yet. And so this is someone who's looking at you like, oh, that's why the Leo seemed a little iffy. That's why the Leo seemed like they didn't want to be tied down. It's not because the Leo doesn't understand commitment or doesn't want commitment. It's because the Leo didn't have partners that treated them right. The Leo didn't have partners that understood them. The Leo didn't have partners that could match up to their mind. So now this person is exploring your mind. Now they're starting to see that, oh, you're very smart. You're very intellectual. You're very intelligent. You're not going to just take anything from anyone. You do possess wisdom, because of your experiences, or through your experiences. Like, you know what it's like to have a relationship because you learn some things. You know what it's like for someone to cheat on you. You know what it's like for someone to neglect your child, or something like that. You know what it's like to have to do things on your own, or you know what it's like to deal with inconsistency from someone. So this person's like, oh, the Leo knows what this is about. So that's why the Leo is changing, or has changed so much. Like, they just see you as a person who put in some work to get where you are right now. And the journey for you was so hard, but you're open to change now. You're open to a new beginning. Wow, Leo, powerful messages here. Very powerful information between you and this person. So, Leo, I've got more for you. If you want to go into their real intentions, like what are they trying to do? All right, because we've looked at how they see you. We've looked at how they feel, but we don't know what they want to do. Where is this all heading? And if you need to know that, check out the extended. The link is down below. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.